transfer from a dream into reality. And I've been out in the hills taking care of horses and cattle. And you wake up stuck between thought and a dream. Maybe that knock on the door was in the dream, or that was reality. But so at the camp, I have a chance to become a Indian, but one week a year at the Crow Fair. I live in a teepee in the camp. We have I don't know, maybe 800, 900 teepees in the valley, and then we rodeo and dance and race and do everything, eat, and everybody coming in. We have a good time called the Crow Fair. And my great grandpa, Medicine Tail, he's the one that put it together. And but when the camp is there, and then we don't really use an alarm clock. We use alarm clocks, but we back in the old days when the camp was there, the N Lodge speaker was the one that would talk and get the information out for the people. And in the morning, I get up before the dawn and saddle up a white horse that I have he can come in here. And that's how nice of a horse he is. And saddle up and go through there. It's still dark. Hey, Hana, hey, Hana, But that's what I'm saying. All of you crows and all of you people wake up. And I do this at horseback going through the camp. And this old man holds in him. He gave me the right to do that. But that came from a dream. I was working for Spiro over in the Wolf Teeth Mountains on Corral Creek. That's where the main ranch was. And we were riding in the fall. And so I holler at him, no, you know, I said, move on, you know, no, and then my boy and I, we worked for him. And then one night that came in, and so I'm glad to bring it to you people. That's through thought from a dream, you know.